Introduction. Welcome to our video where we'll explore the myths and truths about a popular health trend, drinking lemon water. Many people believe that sipping on lemon-infused water can work wonders for their health, but what's the reality behind these claims? In this video, we're going to dig deep and uncover the facts. Lemon water has gained a reputation for being a natural remedy for various health issues, from weight loss to detoxification. But are these claims scientifically supported, or are they simply myths that have taken root in popular culture? We'll dive into 3 common myths surrounding lemon water and its effects on the body. First, we'll tackle the idea that lemon water is a miracle solution for weight loss. Then we'll explore the belief that it can detoxify your body. Finally, we'll discuss the misconception that lemon water can drastically change your body's pH levels. Throughout this video, we'll provide you with well-researched information to help you separate fact from fiction. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's begin our journey into the world of lemon water and uncover the truth about its impact on your body. Number 1. Lemon water helps you lose weight. In this section, we'll delve into the first myth surrounding lemon water, its supposed role in weight loss. Many people turn to lemon water as a magical elixir for shedding those extra pounds, but is it really that effective? Let's find out. The idea that lemon water can help you lose weight might have started because lemons are low in calories and provide a refreshing alternative to sugary beverages. Some also claim that the acidity of lemons can boost metabolism and burn fat. However, scientific evidence to support these claims is limited. Weight loss primarily depends on factors like a balanced diet, calorie intake, and physical activity. While lemon water can be a part of a healthy diet, it's not a guaranteed solution for shedding pounds. Instead, think of it as a tool to complement your overall weight loss efforts. Throughout this section, we'll explore the scientific studies and evidence related to lemon water and weight loss. We'll provide you with a realistic perspective on how lemon water can fit into a healthy lifestyle. So if you've been sipping lemon water with high hopes of a slimmer you, stay tuned to learn more about what science has to say about this popular myth. Number 2. Lemon water detoxifies your body. Now let's turn our attention to the second myth, the idea that lemon water can detoxify your body. It's a common belief that lemon water can help cleanse your system and rid it of toxins. But what's the real story? Detoxification is a natural process that your body performs constantly through organs like the liver and kidneys. Lemon water may provide some health benefits, but it's not a magical detox potion. We'll discuss where this myth originated and provide insights into how your body naturally detoxifies itself. We'll also explore the actual health benefits of lemon water, which include hydration and vitamin C intake. So if you've been sipping lemon water to cleanse your body, stay with us as we uncover the truth about its detoxification powers. Number 3. Lemon water alters your body's pH levels. Our next myth to debunk revolves around the pH levels of your body. Some believe that lemon water can significantly change your body's pH, making it more alkaline. But is this belief grounded in science? We'll address the misconceptions surrounding pH levels and explain the importance of maintaining a stable pH in the body. Lemon water does have acidity, but its impact on your overall pH balance is limited. We'll delve into the science behind this claim and provide you with a clear understanding of how lemon water affects pH and its overall implications for your health. So if you've been drinking lemon water to achieve a more alkaline body, stick around, get the facts, and make informed choices about your dietary habits. Number 4. Benefits of drinking lemon water. Now let's shift our focus to the positive aspects of lemon water. While it may not be a miracle solution for weight loss or detoxification, lemon water does offer some genuine health benefits. We'll highlight these benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced hydration, and a boost in vitamin C intake. Discover how incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can positively impact your overall well-being. Stay tuned as we explore the reasons why lemon water is still a popular choice among health-conscious individuals and how it can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Number 5. Precautions and considerations. Before you start gulping down lemon water by the gallon, it's essential to consider some precautions and potential side effects. In this section, we'll guide you on the best practices for drinking lemon water safely. We'll discuss allergies related to lemon consumption and potential side effects like tooth enamel erosion. It's crucial to enjoy the benefits of lemon water in moderation and take into account your individual health needs. So if you're thinking about making lemon water a regular part of your routine, stay tuned for essential tips on how to do it safely and effectively. Conclusion. As we near the end of our journey through the world of lemon water myths and facts, let's recap what we've learned. We've explored common misconceptions about lemon water's ability to aid weight loss, detoxify the body, and alter pH levels. We've also highlighted the genuine benefits of drinking lemon water, such as improved digestion, hydration, and vitamin C intake. Plus, we emphasize the importance of approaching lemon water consumption with caution and moderation. Now it's time to draw our conclusions and leave you with valuable insights. So stay with us as we wrap up our discussion on lemon water myths. What really happens to your body? Call to action. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of lemon water myths and facts. If you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from this information. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with lemon water, so please leave your comments below. Have you tried it? Did it have any noticeable effects on your health? Let us know. And if you want to stay updated on more informative videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. We'll continue to bring you evidence-based insights into health and nutrition. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and make informed choices for your well-being.